reported that their shower is getting blocked, and so I'm just going to run the shower for a moment just to ascertain whether that is the case. And as you can see, the water is filling up quite quickly, and without treating this, there's a possibility that water could come over the tray. So I'm going to first of all remove the plug, and as you see, it's building up. So a plunger is the ideal tool for this, and you need water in there so it gets some suction. I'm just going to keep persevering, and already, can you see there? The hair is starting to come out. There's quite a bit of build up. Students often buy Mr. Muscle drain cleaner, but what you really just need is a good old plunger. Let me just catch that. So let's get all that on the side over there, keep it out of the way, and now you can see it's running away nicely, nice good speed as we want it to be. And so for the sake of a plunger in the house, you can get all the hair out of the shower nice and easily so that it will stop the water from building up.